Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, may isi-share na naman ako sa inyo guys. At shout out po pala kay Sir Clarence Ardon for sharing the blessings for me, to my family. Ayan, Sir Clarence, thank you very much and God bless you always, Sir Clarence. It's very thankful po talaga. And thank you for your generosity po. Ayan, ito na po yung parang binili ko. Half sack of rice, Sir Clarence. And then, the egg and the egg, half tray, worth of 150. Kalahating tray. Tapos, I buy a Zone Rocks for my laundry. And also the powder. Yan. And the milk of Reniel, Sir Clarence. Yan. So, thank you very much, Sir Clarence. It's a big help talaga po. Yan. Ngayon po, mayroon na po akong bigas. Ayan. Kasi wala po akong bigas, kaya nagpapasalamat po talaga ako, Sir Clarence, sa'yo. Kasi kung hindi po kayo nagbigay, wala po ako ngayong bigas. Ayan. My wish is your command po, Sir Clarence. Thank you very much po talaga. Yan. And also, I buy a Colgate, Sir Clarence. Colgate for everyday use. To clean the teeth. My kids. And the Festa beef loaf. I buy 2 pieces of Festa. Yan. And then, the corned beef. Youngstown corned beef. I buy also 2 pieces. Yan. And Youngstown sardines also 2 pieces. Yan. Ouch! Nahulog pa. Yan, thank you very much po, Sir Clarence. Ayan. Papasalamat po talaga ako kasi yun nga, timing din po na wala akong bigas, no rice. So, I decide, I buy the half of sack of rice, Sir Clarence. So, thank you, Sir Clarence. May kakainin na po kami. Yan, may ulam na din. And yung sukli, yung I save the money, what they call that, patay na English. Ang sukli po, sinave ko po para sa pang-araw-araw din sa mga anak ko. Ayan. Pangbaon nila sa school. Ayan, thank you very much po talaga, Sir Clarence. God bless you always po. Ayan. Good health ka lang po lagi. Ayan, stay strong lang po. At marami ka na pong natulungan. Hindi lang po ako, kundi marami pa pong iba. Ayan, you're a good person po talaga, Sir Clarence. I salute to you, Sir Clarence. You're very generous po talaga. Ayan, thank you very much po. Kahit po sa YouTube lang po tayo nakilala, at bago lang po kita nakilala sa YouTube, nagbigay ka din po talaga. Marami na pong natulungan niyo po, Sir Clarence. So, thank you very much, Sir Clarence, for this. Thank you, Sir Clarence, from the bottom of my heart. Yan. God bless you always, Sir Clarence. Yan. Kahit po hindi tayo magkaano-ano, Sir Clarence, andyan po kayo, tumutulong sa alam nyo po na nangangailangan. Ayan. Thank you po, Sir Clarence. Napapayak po ako kasi meron palang tao na handang tumulong sa hindi niya as in kilala talaga, diba? Napapayak talaga ako, guys. Kasi wala po akong bigas. Tapos binigyan niya po ako. Yan, ito na po yung bigas. I have rice now, Sir Clarence. So, thank you very much. God bless you more, Sir Clarence. Good health lang po lagi. Stay strong po. Ayan. Hanggang dito na lang po yung pagbablog ko. Thank you for po talaga. From the bottom of my heart, Sir Clarence, thank you po. And sa lahat-lahat po nang tumutulong din po sa akin. Sa mga nagsusuper chat sa akin, nagsusuper thanks. Thank you po talaga. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my guys, my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells po para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga video ko. Ayan, thank you again, Sir Clarence, for this. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye po. God bless po.